It's 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm kind of hungry, so need to snack something. So I'm on my way to find some food. Hey, it's Fidal. I'm in Bangkok. I hope you're having a good night. And I'm hungry, so I'm on my way to find some food. So let's see what we can get. So we got our spot. That is a spot selling mangoes. They're also selling pad thai and mango sticky rice. So let's go and eat. Hello, I would like to have a small size mango sticky rice and one chicken pad thai. Okay. So this is the spot. It's called White House. They serve you with pad thai, chicken, pork, and also mango sticky rice. You can have any size you want. I have ordered for a small size. You can get medium size, large size. One mango will weigh up to 1 kg, it seems. Mango sticky rice. Here is it. Sliced mangoes. Looks delicious. Yellow. This is actually coconut rice. By the smell I can say this is coconut rice. Coconut has been mixed into it. I will get the coconut flavor infused into the rice. And these are mangoes. So first of all, let's try a mango first. Whoa. Wow. That's delicious. I mean, these mangoes, wow, so sweet, perfect. This is the perfect mango that you can have. Thai mangoes, wow, this is the #1 till now. Whoa, this is so good, so good. Let's taste the rice with the milk. Thank you. So we got our chicken pad thai. We'll be trying it very soon. But first of all, let's finish up with the mango sticky rice. Now, we'll get some mangoes. Some rice. Let's give it a try. Wow. Sticky rice and mangoes, the signature, this is the best. And the thing is that it's 2 a.m. It's past midnight and Bangkok never sleeps. And I'm here to try the signature style mango sticky rice of Bangkok, Thailand. Wow, the rice, the aroma, the milk, wow. Is it got the milk? I think some salt has been mixed to it, so I'm getting a salty flavor from the milk. But this is just perfect. What do you want past midnight when you're hungry and you want some snacks? This is what you get in Bangkok. Every bite, every scoop, it's just new. It just gives you the flavor of that perfect blend of mangoes, milk, and the sticky rice. So we are done with the mango sticky rice. Next dish we're going to try is chicken pad thai. We got some crunched peanuts, some sugar, and some chili. I might add some peanuts, but sugar I'm not going to add. Spices, yes, I will. Before tasting, I will just add up the spices because I know I will need it. Some squeeze of lemon. So we got some sliced chicken breast, some bean sprouts, some spring onion chips, and we got some noodles. Let's give it a try. And we also got some fried tofu, it seems, and egg. Whoa. Wow. This is really good. At night, at 2 a.m. Wow. The eggs, the noodles. Wow. The perfect blend, the perfect taste. Let's try some chicken. This is really good. The noodles are perfect. They got a perfect texture. The eggs, the tofu, the chicken, everything is perfect. Savory, salty, not sweet. Amazing. Along with the bean sprouts. Oh. Some bean sprouts. So fresh. Wow, that was a good meal. Pad Thai and mango sticky rice. It's 2 a.m. Now I'm not hungry. So, do like and subscribe if you have not already. I would like to hear from you, so please do comment. I'll be uploading more videos from Bangkok. So, please do stay tuned and see you in the next video.